Guys, you did it! You know, this was not possible. First ever team in PSL to win back-to-back trophies. Lahore has won PSL the maximum number of times twice. Our lucky charm, lucky captain, two times a winner. It was heartening to see, wonderful to see you guys fighting till the last, as our captain said, and you believe in that, you bought into it, this culture, you give everything. Honestly speaking, even if we would have lost, I would have still be very happy person, because winning or losing, we always say, is a part of the game. But the way you fought and you never gave up, hats off to you. Very well done. Few special performances, obviously.
Where's Murshid? I miss Murshid.
Murshid is on flight.
Murshid, we miss you.
We miss you, Murshid. But Shai Hope, thank you so much for your effort. And Dawson, thank you for your effort. We miss you. For tonight's wonderful performances, there are few awards, just a token of love and appreciation from our side. For his wonderful 2 catches, who's not here tonight, he's in the flight now. Murshid got iPhone 14. Bullshit. And obviously, man of the match, Shaheen Afridi got Qalandar City. By the way, Shaheen is getting, for the man of the finals, is getting a 1 canal plot in Qalandar City. That's not enough. There is a special award for a guy who bowled the most difficult over for tonight's game. A plot for you. तेरे लिए एक plot Qalandar City में for bowling such a wonderful over. Okay. Another guy who played an instrumental role in winning us the game tonight. He also won himself a plot in Qalandar City. None other than ABD. Well done. Okay. There are a couple of full season awards. So in my mind, I had 3 categories. So best bowler, best batsman, and obviously the winning captain. So the award for that is a 1 canal plot in Qalandar City, and the best bowler for Qalandar for this season was none other than Rashid Khan. राशिद भाई, आपको मुबारक हो। एक प्लॉट आप पहले जीत चुके थे, वो 5 मरले का था, ये वाला 1 कनाल का है, तो अब आपके पास ऑलमोस्ट 1.5 कनाल हो गया। आप घर जरूर बनाना है। The best batter, needless to say, sir.
Fakhar bhai. Sumrashwal.
Sir, आपके लिए for your wonderful performance, 1 canal plot in addition to what you have already won. तो आपके तो 3-4 कनाल Qalandar City में पक्के हो गए।
माशाल्लाह।
Last but not the least, obviously, our love, our captain, my love, my captain. He's going to have a farmhouse in Qalandar City. So there is a special award for 2 canal. In addition to your 1 canal, you are going to have a big house in Qalandar City. And before we call it a night and let you go, how can I forget about all the players who were sitting on the dugout, didn't got the opportunity to play. That's not your fault. But as a part of this family, you also won yourself a plot in Qalandar City. Each and everyone. Okay, so all those guys who have worked tirelessly and you know, selflessly, you guys are, I'm really thankful to you, but in addition to thankful, you all have won yourself a plot in Qalandar city.